Good morning. Happy Monday morning. It is Monday, March 10th, 8:32 a.m. here on the East Coast, here in the beautiful state of Virginia. I'm going to get right to it because we have a lot of beautiful trends running right now. I'm going to start with the Euro CAD. As you can see, it's on a tear. For some reason, the Canadian dollar is getting weak against everything, and I mean almost everything. All the big boys. It's getting weak against all the big boys for real. As you can see here, this has been a beautiful trend. On the 6th, there was a pullback, but it wasn't really a pullback, and then it just continued up. And this thing is just going to run. Look here, this cloud, this upper cloud is small, yes, but you're still well above the price action. The baseline has just flattened out, which means it could continue to go up again because your conversion line is still going up, and this you got this gap between the price action and the conversion line. So that means there's still much more room to run. Almighty, almighty lagging span. Can never forget the lagging span. Look how far apart they are. Look how far away the lagging span is from the price action. That is a darn good sign. You got all go on this. This is a good trade to consider. All right, next is the CAD JPY. CAD JPY, which you can obviously see I'm in. I'm in pretty heavy. I've sold a lot of Canadian dollars to buy yen. I'm in this trade pretty heavy, and it's paying off quite well for me. This is a beautiful trade here, as you can see. The lagging span well beneath the price action, so that means it's going to still continue to go lower. Still got room to run. The price action is following, bouncing right along with this conversion line, so it's still going downward. And another good sign is you can barely see it, but you can see it is slightly bent still pointing downward. So that means it's still got a ways to go. Nice downward cloud forming, red downward cloud. So this is all a go as well. Canadian dollar JPY. I'm in this trade pretty heavily. I've sold a lot of Canadian dollars to get to buy yen. I'm gonna ride this for a while. This is a beautiful trade. Look at this. Look today. You can see this nice big downward bar, and we broke the previous fractal. We passed the previous fractal, so that means this thing is still going to continue to drop. So that's another trade to consider. CAD JPY. All right. Next is the British pound CAD. British pound CAD, same thing. Look at the lagging span, well above the price action here. It's far away. Well, it's a little ways away from the conversion line, but the conversion line is pointing up. You got your baseline slightly pointing up. You got this green upward cloud. Another beautiful, fascinating trade to consider. Really, the Canadian dollar is getting weak, and it looks like it's going to continue for a while, folks. So this is an opportunity of the year, another opportunity of the year. Like I was been telling you before about the yen, now the CAD is getting weak, the yen is getting stronger. So the CAD is going to continue to get weak, and the yen is going to continue to get stronger. These are nice trades to consider, folks. All right. Last but not least, look at this here. This is a beautiful one. Look at there. This is a no-brainer. You got your lagging span beneath the price action, well beneath the price action, far away from the current price action. You got your your conversion line pointing down, and this price action today is far away from that conversion line, and the conversion line is pointing down as well as the baseline. You got your downward cloud forming. Another beautiful trade. Those are some nice trades you want to consider today, ladies and gentlemen. So I will check in again, but for now, that's it. Hopefully, you have a good day, and I hope you have an awesome trading week. Those are some wonderful trades to consider. Good luck, and I will talk to you again very soon. Take care.